I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka Mankind. Charlie, I can't your screen top again. This be celebrity Yawa. Charlie, we did a street top now. We don't say if I talk say it be streeter, it be social media. We did a street top now where we can see something. What we see it be something where it go on of late. It go on for some celebrity in lifestyle inside Sarkodie. It's just like a fan like embarrassing Sarkodie after you refuse to give him manuals on set with R2Bs. That be what the thing go happen. The thing happen be say Sarkodie they go perform you go do rap song. I don't know say whether you do rap or you do something. Either R2Bs they go do them a video no. Some fans be day back. Where they talk say Sarkodie I have Jessica. More go spy the video no.
Kensa. That's right. Yeah, the full fight.
You see the way the fans need do, no? It was Sarkodie, Jessica. It's like then they sabotage Sarkodie too much on say it be stingy than 10. Sarkodie who was car. So I am man, what I say. You see the way the artists they do, no? Not be say every day they will share money. But sometimes, you know, for the artists, you go see say, we all can say Jessica, woman is kind of be aware be very cool and things. You know, say celebrity award there, be aware can. You go and talk say you know do one or something because we dey listen to the fans. You say you know be you pay away the tear or what your track. You know be you pay away the tear your track. We the fans know where the tear your track. Where's the fans need to do they feel the way people they live your lifestyle for TV top then social media top no. We dey see say you get money. So we see you we go ask you money then things. So me, what the fans talk me I be for the street boys. Because the fan, you be street way, day way, you can't talk that thing. So, sir, you do it for what? For share money. I get one of the handsome guy before the studio inside. They develop Teflon. Me the am day here, they can't discuss what happened. Yo, bro, what's up?
What's up for you?
Everything cool.
Everything nice, boss.
I see you keep.
I did inside.
Where you go there?
Oh, some you 10 you for town.
If so. The last time I see you, now you tell like be some party being under. The way now you did, hey, bro. You don't love chilling.
You did inside, boss.
You be so. Right now, Samantha become for social media. Some of them are to be, then they go do video. We don't know the track where they just show us the video, you know, like the way that they can do the video and things, the way the video they go on. When some fan be there back where they talk say, Sak, I have Cheska. What be your man for top say everything be then they make Sak, you know say Sak right now and they trouble way and they laugh am. The US one thing where they go on. People they throw them then things. Why Sarkodie every day be and they talk say Sarkodie be stingy? What be your mind?
Charlie, big shout out to the people that listen, Charlie. You go for subscribe. In the first place, the fun way they talk say make Sarkodie
give her money.
Why the person who will go work for you more money? You don't understand. Wait, secondly, this the person say he share money. You understand?
We didn't hear you, we didn't hear you talk.
So, make no talk say I mean nibi. So of me, I don't get nothing. That boy I don't share money. Master, if even if you 10% self, 1 city, people they need 1 city for streets. Why the person they share 1 city?
You know say
okay. They come. Where moreover to say I got your day in a busy day in business center. Where you work. You expect to make you dog what they do, they can't share money give you.
You don't say make Sak give her money. You don't say I had Cheska. If you don't go give her money, Safa. You say you go do business. Yeah. We the back say you go do your something. You go do your video and thing. That thing there is something where they put food for your table. Things where they do. But the way you say Sakaya Cheska, we go feel you some few seconds because them more than be your fans. You know we say someone where you don't know them that things. It be someone because so confused where they there. Because you go feel that the thing where you talk say me you go work, you know. That time you go feel take go work. But that time you take come there so confused where you there. But if you don't give her money, Safa, at least you go to touch something. Some few seconds be they're trying to be sir. Sab no man cry away.
Why you forget them? No. The thing is say you don't forget time give himself.
Why you don't forget time? You your fan.
I make busy in my fan. Why you pay the only fan? So if the people then they are there or they be like over 1,000 people, if everybody demand money, like Sasa for the castle or Jessica, or the government did see the people that they there or if they talk say they share 10 city give everybody safe. what did you talk about? It the difference if you are watching on one side or something. But this one that you did like in office or this thing where you work. So you know they expect say you go they dash out money like that. Way moreover to you know work give them. So if he like so why you drum and poor or no to your you don't understand me? So won't mean better than they be stingy or something. So if you now you work for your money. So if you expect say you don't want money, go work for your money.
The likes of the celebrities where they did. Moku spy someone like Shatta. Moku spy someone like Stonebwoy. You know recently Stonebwoy, some guys we see Stonebwoy.
You like fuck
and then before. When Stonebwoy J money?
No.
I'll get up.
He says Stonebwoy them on the boys they be like fuck. So 20 Ghana self, you be like 80 Ghana. But this R2 is this thing, like festival. See the people that did it. So if everybody say they want money from Sarkodie.
No, I don't be say everyone they want money. I mean no bro, some if the guy
where that place now. If you J20 Ghana give one person self. Why can't video shoot them as
so why
the way people go rush you? You don't understand me. So the best thing is they don't go mind anybody self. Why say R2 is them no share money?
I mean, you know,
then why say Sarkodie always Sarkodie be the center of attention?
This Sarkodie be the person where we dey feel. You say R2 be to be the feel them. But the phone you may not come out. I be R2 be smoothing them. So they bring this one today there.
So they say the sabotage the person wants sabotage.
No.
I said that. No. Among all the artists, Q beats overwise one fine. Then get billionaires for them. People then get money. Why say Sarkodie pen or single on art no child video? Where the things say say they wish Sarkodie one was.
So when they want talk say the guy. The guy like Sarkodie in matter or something.
Yeah man. If you cannot have fan base people for like or some fan army binti like.
How you not say that?
Oh no, I mean you dey street so you know how the things they work. It about some people there they really like you. Where moreover say no be say you cut video where you go there Sarkodie and then say oh at least bro give me money where you don't mind you. Sarkodie dey move plus somebody. Not drink can also. Where you dey cut video say oh kaya chiska. Meaning say oh only pana drink but no time na all the about one.
You be fun, I can talk this one thing. You be fun where you see celebrity where they fail a man. Ghana France you piska. The person, the celebrity, maybe you don't know say money day in body or money no day in body. You know about so you be fun where they spy me. If you be fan of Shatta, you be fan of any musician be where they fail a man. Make you not go busy on money. Sometimes some pictures and things are fine. You go be Sarkodie money, right now see what Sarkodie do. Right now see the street of plenty people they talk say Sarkodie be stingy. But you know they in head inside, you know they what they do. And you know be everything be away Sarkodie to they do it take what? It take show them things. You know be anything be they do. So the fun way you do that you know first when they shout Sarkodie Chiska. And you Usika. What I say? And you Usika no yeah, only Sika no open or the bed. Or the bed, and you can open or the bed. And to me, I just say like, or like you see them now, you beat them money, and they money give you too. That time you do it, and they still do the things where they sweat. No one can know what and how you be sir. So you see them the money issue, or the man are fine. And for my make you not talk sabotage and things. You know, say social media be very powerful. This all day more way we know the respect on an artist and things. No, about this all day more. So I ask you, if celebrity. People they rush you and things where like you don't want make them know say you there around how you go like when someone asks you say up a picture and not up a scan up a visa now you know do that thing give the fan how like you might not go make the person feel very comfortable within you like this fan crowd because I sure say that guy no he here for some places
he hears say they will be here.
He hears say somebody be stingy and things. That's why he see him no for the video shooting. That's why he busy. So the celebrities know what them for do. You see, say like then they go some place, location and things where they meet fan where the fan know they ask them money and things. What them for do?
You see, Sarkodie and if one person like Brandon also like you know the come out. So of this kind of things where you know the come out. So of you go hardly see Sarkodie for club and parties and that. So of these things now because if you are with yourself or chill anyway, you forget time give your body, then France over like 300. Everybody won't get picture with you. By the time you go finish, then you spend like 5 hours. You do cut picture and then you say you don't get time give your body. So you better say you go day house safe. But we get some artists some people say if nobody says then they like how they do and they do for the cameras. Just make people see say oh this guy they good, we like him fans, so this guy you. But Nimuno just say.
So you want to say what's Sarkodie do? He be real thing with you.
He be real. He's being real. You understand? Where you know go like me, I come to your office like this. Where me, I expect say I will get attention the time you work. You figure say I will get them.
No.
So in office that, in field of work that, you know they expect to make it dog, they enough, you know, on the come and as on the bounce, I don't know, because it was Charlie, some guys say they need 24 years, so go give up. You be in field of work, so you go decide whether to marry or whether you don't go marry you. Where the guy self, they do self, he be fanfula. Because you dey back where you talk.
They shout,
say why not just say yeah or be sabotage guy. You understand?
So one thing where they be say me, I know they understand. Be say why fans see any celebrity, they want good picture, they want ask some money, they want make the fan do something before they go know say like the fan they like them. Why they do it and they do so?
You see, when a Ghanaian mentality, I don't know how like you don't really grow or you don't really mature like that. Because even if you go see the outside space now, like the US and the things, like, if they see celebrities, if them phone in the jail, they don't get time give, oh Charlie, give me money, oh Charlie, make you cut pic. If them get picture for them, then my phone tops them, then be okay. Somebody said, we go see you then, oh Jay-Z, oh, yes, self, you carry oh, but no, yes, snap, you live. But if you get them to, you know, like, but Ghanaians, they like them say, oh, you go get time, give them one-on-one. So you go pose, you go hold the neck. Oh, I'll traffic check out position. I know like I'm always expected to say, oh, grab a phone now with you understand? But the mentality for here, no, and the people say, oh, it be them that they support you, make your crafts go fast. So anything that they demand, before they do one. Well, you know, be sorry for them.
So to you, no, since we did the street talk, I talk street talk, I talk about social media. Some whether they really they give money, I ask you. Maybe they real for here.
If you they give self, start what they be one person, you know, before the cameras, you know, go fake them. You say even in several like in beefs plus people or they talk say even if people they call them say like make them trash out them and give them things. You know before the camera, you don't want that real. So if you they give out self, you know be necessarily say if you come social media they post you or they give this guy. Sometimes some evidence some kiddie be like 14 years, he get hole in heart. Where say they can post for in social media say oh this kid in here like they be like 14,000 or something. But then, Sako there settled that bill already. We still we can't post oh, Charlie, this kid in here like 14,000 take do surgery, and so say he will feel better than this. But no, we say he got a bill already. But then you know say after surgery, if you still go need money, take do rounds and things. So then it be appeal for fans make people take support the guy. So then people they thought say oh, now you 14,000, this more money you know if you pay. But meanwhile your man paid that thing already.
So you pay my wife for some post.
You know, no.
The other thing that means you don't get your money back.
No.
What do they want?
They said the money give the kiddo. After surgery, complications, they buy drugs. How you're happy?
If they do something low key, if you don't make you know.
No, you do one. But he alone know if you do one. So if he cater for the phone.
Yeah, this will not be low key.
I mean, as he can post, you not say he pay him.
You don't pay him.
You don't
low key be something say if you like the person you get what he had and things. You don't want to make the camera, you don't want any fan of you see that something there. You go do it for like anything there where you go come for outside. If you ain't go do.
Relax.
So far as you post them, that means you don't want your money back.
No, you know the bad me. The thing they say the kid they need the 14,000 to do the surgery. Where Sako they pay for that 14,000?
He pay, yeah.
He pay.
Where Sako
come post for outside so.
Yeah, he be yawa.
Sako
be yawa. You do yawa.
You know be yawa. If you say you want to do say you want my thing, but you want back the tea for back the.
No. You do yawa.
No, that's.
I don't understand. If you pay something, give someone. Why if you can't post them? That means you don't want.
No, you don't post
if they give. If they give something, give someone.
No.
If you don't make the person who see, he did the Bible inside. He did Quran inside. He did all the books. That books where he did. All the inside.
Where are they come from?
Say if they do, Papa give you a left hand. If you don't make the right hand, classy.
You know post.
So you can't post the thing. That means
you know post.
No.
You know post.
That's what you do. If you have a thing where you do, sir. If you don't do something, do that thing we could not see. Do one. What you say? You
know the bad what they talk.
I tell you, but I don't make you understand. Go.
The thing be say, you know, say he post say he paid the 14,000. He pay like he post that thing like say nobody pay. So make Ghanaians help. But meanwhile he pay the.
But you see, say you talk say he settle am.
No, it be after the thing people the bash up for social media say, now you the money you get to you know if you pay 14,000. Where the woman self come and say, oh, the 14,000 the doctor they be next some next bit I said Openibi or what's where you come and say Sako they said we pay the thing already. But yes, they still they appeal for fans give the kiddie. So say after surgery, you know, they go live like comfortably and things like extra bills. They be
so Sako don't want to put extra burden for your head top.
No, you know the bab that thing. That you know the one bab. Oh yes, stubborn.
No.
Relax.
This place you be celebrity yawa. We did a street.
You know be yawa.
You be celebrity when you do yawa. We go talk. You know be say I the first Sako. Me, I the first Sako there. Everything there they do me I the feel.
But what you do right
now?
What you do right now?
Make give someone where you go answer. I dey talk someone where you go ask the similar question where I dey ask. Me I be in fan. But if you do papa, then things. Make I talk about the celebrity. That thing where them go children's home, then they go good picture and it be bomb. Bomb celebrity they do. You know me say they motivate too. If they do something, if you the hung, where I give you food, where I can't talk, another person say I give this person food. What do they mean? You don't mean anything.
Different. It be different from what's happening. No.
That's what's happening. They be similar.
You know, be similar.
Because if you don't, make I tell you something. If you don't want make the person live comfortable like that things, when you start pay the person in bills, give them a there. That means all the things when you get back, you go feel do.
Oh no.
But if you don't want to do, if you don't like, you don't want to do anything now, you can't talk and bam.
You also make not going to know if you pay bills and Sasu cater for them are bills and everything. He pay bills finisher. The public too feed as long as a family man, he get other things they do. Don't even foul we will be better than some that cannot.
Nah. Then how you touch him? How you touch him? Until I say you know the future. Where the show you the more fun than things. But how you go chop him? What's up going to do ni biyawa? What's up going to do ni biyawa? Born celebrity they do that thing. Born if you do something, right? Recently too. If you order to go chop in this one in birthday, we hear say Shatale go give her money. Where if you order to go in office then things no. That it to be our, you know that way we do. If you do something, give someone. If you do something, give someone. Do them low key. It is between you and their God. If you don't want make plenty people see say you do adore them.
No, you do
adore them things. That means it be bomb.
And they come. You see the Corona time safe. Then success. Then success no dey Ghana. But then success do donation, give the street and things so. But yes, still the people they pass Sarkodie see Sarkodie. During hard times, your fans and things, you know, they reach out to them, you know, they give them anything. But then they do donation already. But they got one fan or two outside. People they thought say it's stingy or say. So they say all the official video, but I'll say, oh, he said, if you do a long time, then do donation just on my phone. But just say, they see the need say they will take rub in the faces of people, say, oh, then they give out and they do this. You understand? Instead of if the artists they come out and they say, yeah, or person you, but then no why nothing did that. But then people they thought say no do them.
So you don't prove yourself. That means you don't listen to people that are even you right now. I mean, if I want to give you money, you know,
see, you said at the point he was being real. I'm not revealing the video say you do this thing. But then people say the bash and say, oh, and I would do a weekend.
Then if I don't them.
No, that mentality they grow like you know say that it dents kind of personality, a sale or brand.
Oh, no.
Wait, no.
Now brand thing today, they talk, it be village thing. Brand be excellency. Brand be yourself. Brand be something where they put out, the work where they put out for the spirit of. If you know me, say, you go do something. When you find the talk say you don't do that thing, now you don't want to prove that thing.
You know say you don't want to prove. And then it dents your credibility in the system. People don't say, oh, sir, they be good guy, be humble and sense. But then all of a sudden, the whole country, then they hear you say, right now, then say, you be wicked guy. You know, they give you 3 year thing, 7 year thing. Meanwhile, they don't be so. If you go on for a very long time, it dents your brand.
Make I talk you something. If you be celebrity where you there, I don't say they watch me. Make I talk you something. If you be celebrity, if I don't listen to your fans they them they talk down my mind.
You don't be your fans, though. You don't be
I talk them.
No, but I don't make bad say you don't be any Sack Nation fan where will come to say Sack Cody be stingy. Because then they're not what them.
I talk about all the celebrities, so I don't be Sack Perry, I talking like something.
Okay.
I give advice, give the celebrities, you know. Right. If you do something now, do that thing. Make you not make their fan talk, you say, go do this. Otherwise, if I go talk, you say, go chop shit. You know, you go shine their chop. Do what you go feel do. You know, so you do that something now. Make you not come prove yourself, say they post pictures and things. That's why Sack the nigga will do so because you do that thing now, you post that thing, so they can say you get money. Do them low key. When you low key, I will be able to say, why are they now? Why are they? I'm not found because who know now mean time now? Why are they? I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka Mankind. Charlie, make sure say you go subscribe to the channel. You be what? Too much GH. You subscribe, man. Anything be away to go on for the street talk. Make a street, but not that too. Social media, any trending news. You be the first person where you go notification, where you go listen, where you sound go watch. So subscribe there, make everything go up. Everything there you go do, make lively. Love be the answer. Make you not dirty any brother man in name or something. Make be real so that the realness go move. Who are like one body I said. That's what I want to talk you. One.
Mede Isaac Odwampo obetun afem the great ampo mbrembren wonu me nka mo ne hwe too much GH mu ye too much na me so Me, I'm more fire.